are flying and your airplane is holding at the beginning of the runway because of traffic. The traffic is about to land and you will be taking off very soon after the traffic is landing. After the traffic landed passing, your airplane will be lining up and you will be taking off. But meanwhile, when you are waiting for the aircraft is taking off, from your window, you may take a look the windsock. What is the meaning of windsock? The windsock itself, it has two colors, red and white. And it has 5 or 6 parts of colors, red, white, red, white, red, white. Do you know that? If you want to know more about windsock, please continue watching this video. And if you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and give the comments or give the question. Any question you ask, I will be answering for you. Okay? Please continue watching this video. This video telling you about aviation knowledge. Good day everyone. Come back again with me, Captain Hans. Today I'm gonna take you fly with me from Ngurah Rai, Bali to Sepinggan, Balikpapan. We are preparing to fly to Balikpapan right now. And we would like to take you fly with me from Denpasar. We used to fly over Agung Volcano. You know, Agung Volcano is the highest mountain in Bali Island. You know, the height of Agung Mountain is about 3,031 meters above sea level, the highest mountain in Bali. And we will fly over that mountain so you can see how beautiful the peak of Agung Mountain. And it's very beautiful. If you want to see that mountain, please arrange to fly with me. Someday I will show you to see the peak of that mountain. Okay? Let's go there.
Saat ini kita berada persis di atas puncak Gunung Agung pada ketinggian 15.500 kaki. Hari ini Gunung Agung nampak cerah sekali dan sangat berdamai. Selamat menikmati penerbangan ini.
Okay guys, and aviaman, you have already seen that mountain and it was very beautiful. But we would like to tell you about the story of that mountain. Agung Volcano. The first time eruption was 120 years ago. And the second eruption was March 17, 1963. It killed almost 2,000 people died. And the ash spread out of 1,000 kilometers away from Bali. And also the ash flows to Madura and also Surabaya. Jadi Gunung Agung ini adalah gunung yang tertinggi di Bali pada saat meletus tahun 63, tanggal 17 Maret, menewaskan hampir 2.000 orang. Dan sekarang Anda sudah lihat seperti itu. Mudah-mudahan someday you fly with me so you can take a look at that mountain. Now we are showing you from Denpasar to Labuan Bajo to the east, and I'm gonna fly to Rinjani Mountain. Rinjani Mountain is the second highest mountain in Indonesia. Rinjani height about 3,726 meters, number 2 highest in Indonesia. The top of the mountain of Rinjani, it has a lake. It calls Segara Anakan. And how nice it is! we can take a look. Okay? Enjoy your flight and enjoy your camera and take the picture. Thank you for flying with me.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low,
Okay,
about to
man.
blow back up.
You have already seen 2 volcanoes about Agung Volcano and Rinjani Volcano. And now I'm telling you about what the Windsock is. Windsock has 2 colors, red and white. Every pilot knows the meaning of colors, direction. The Windsock itself, the purpose of Windsock for the pilots knows the wind comes from the head or crosswind or tailwind. Mostly pilots or aircraft land and take off into the wind and never land with the wind from the tail. But sometimes pilots can land with the Windsock tailwind condition, but it has a limitation, mostly approximately 10 knots. Okay, we are telling about the color red and white. Every colors, red and white, it has the value about 3 knots. 3 knots, about 5.5 kilometers an hour. If the Windsock itself only 1 red or 2 reds and the other sock going down, it means the wind speed approximately 6 knots or approximately 11 kilometers an hour. That's the meaning of the color the meaning each color of Windsock. If the Windsock strength like 5 or 6 parts, red, white, like that, it means approximately 15 or 18 knots. It depends on how many parts of colors. That's the meaning of Windsock. And then not many people knows about the meaning of Windsock. But when I fly Twin Otter long time ago, 35 or 40 years ago, sometimes we cannot see the Windsock. We just feel the wind comes from the left or right, from the head or from tailwind. It was very old. It was very old time for me. But now every airports they have Windsock. The Windsock is very important for the pilots, especially when the runway length is very limited or very short runway. Very dangerous for pilots to land tailwind. So we have to know where the wind comes from, and it used to be from headwind. sometimes crosswind. That's why we have to see the windsock comes from, the wind comes from. Okay, we are telling about the windsock.
Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro.
Okay, next time I'm gonna show you some other volcanoes in Indonesia. For this time, we have already seen two volcanoes, Agung Volcano and Rinjani Volcano. Okay guys, see you in the next video, and I hope you will enjoy it. Adios amigo.